Mabuhay ug Madayaw! This is Turismo Tomasino and welcome to Colin's Garden Resort in Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Tara!
Mabuhay og madayaw.
Mabuhay og Madayaw, ma'am. So, good morning, ma'am. Pila inyo ang interest niya, ma'am?
Among entrance fee is 50 pesos per head ang adult, 35 ang kids.
Okay, ma'am. So, pila po inyo ang pool?
Ang among swimming pool is tulo ka buok. Naami pang children, apoy kiddie pool dito og naami dire pandagpo.
Okay, ma'am. So, pila po inyo ang cottage niya, ma'am?
Ang cottage rate namo naami tag 350 katong sa ubos, kaning red 350. Kami 200 katong kahoy nga blue, tapos napod ni 600 katong double nga cottage, o nami tag 300 katong kahoy nga yellow dito. Function hall, 3,000 a day, 8 to 5 p.m. Ang among function hall is 3,000 ang isa ka adlaw. Duha ka buok ang among function hall, naa dito sa diri nga side o katong dito sa may barco. Nga, napod mi diri mga rooms, good for 4 person ang isa ka room per night. Na dito nga side sa may fish pan. Napod mi diri nga side. Same lang gihapon. Upat lang ka tao ang.
Then sa inyong accommodation, ma'am, nag-gasol po.
Sa pagkaon.
Yes, ma'am.
Wala pa mo karon sir. Kasi pagka wala pa man gud ni per night diri. Low lang. Among room is 4 person ang isa ka kuan. Pero kung magsobra, nani additional bed. 100 per head ang additional.
So, mawala po, ma'am. Thank you kayo, ma'am.
Sige, thank you po kayo, sir.
Colin's Garden Resort, located at Federate 5, Barangay Tibalog, Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, offers a cool and refreshing pool experience for the family and friends. They offer a very affordable price for their cottages, starting from 300 pesos to 350 pesos. At Colin's Garden Resort, they offer many amenities for everyone to enjoy. From its kiddie pool and slides to the adult pool, everyone can truly have a great fun here at Colin's Garden Resort. Children of all ages can choose and enjoy the cool, refreshing waters of their swimming pools. With their cottages near the swimming pool for the kids, one can be ensured of the safety of the kiddos while they're having fun in the pool. Colin's Garden Resort also have their store inside the vicinity. If you're looking for an accommodation overnight, Colin's Garden Resort also offers very affordable rooms for family and friends. The room accommodation is good for 4 people in a very affordable price. You may also have your celebrations here in their function halls, good for 150 packs. Birthdays, weddings, and personal celebrations can happen here at Colin's Garden Resort. They also have a playground for the children to enjoy. also offer a wide parking area. Kung sa pahigitugayan ninyo niya, harina mo sa Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. Come and discover Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte, its people, culture, and nature.